What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be changing a few parts on the front of this old blue truck. So before this truck got stolen, it used to have a color matched blue sport bumper cover, which I don't know if it got ripped off or stolen or it's taken. I don't know. So it's got this ugly stock looking bumper on it that we're going to be changing out with a black 4th gen bumper. So flip you around, show you what I got. All right, this is it. Black 4th gen bumper. Got the lower valence. I got some clips to attach this back in. Now this bumper is used. It is not in perfect shape whatsoever. Bunch of rock chips, but I might paint it, might not, I don't know. Just really love the look of these 4th gen bumpers on those old 2nd gen trucks. So as you can tell, it's super dirty, so we're gonna take it over to the water hose, clean it up, and kind of explain how we're gonna do this. There you have it, all nice and cleaned up. Boy, you definitely see a lot more of the dings, but it'll do for now. All right, so now that we got this thing all cleaned up, I'm gonna take you to what I ordered off of, I guess, again, Amazon. You can't beat Amazon, so take it to the box, show you what I got. So here are the goods to make that 4th gen bumper fit. Now these are the headlights I'm gonna put back in it. They were actually in the truck when the truck got stolen, but I actually found them inside the truck when I was cleaning it all out in the first video. So we're gonna put those back in. Had some LED switchback bulbs laying around that I'm gonna put back in it, put in it. Open this up here. So this is actually the clips to put the valence back on. So got that super cheap. I mean, I think that was like 10 or 15 bucks. So that'll fix that. And then our 4th gen bumper brackets. I think these cost, I don't know, 40, 50 bucks. Nothing, I didn't need the big, most expensive ones. I'll get this unwrapped for y'all and show y'all. So these are the 4th gen bumper brackets that will fit on your 2nd gen Dodge. Like I said, I got them off of Amazon for about 40, 50 bucks. They aren't in the best of shape just because of the packaging. They were hitting up on the brackets there, but no biggie. You won't see that anyway. I read multiple good reviews on this specific one. The holes have quite a bit of space for fitment purposes, so that we can maybe move the bumper up and down as needed. And this should be a very simple install. I'm actually gonna put these on the bumper first and then slide the brackets in, because I've heard that the bolts that you have to tighten down once the bumper's on is pretty much impossible. So the bumper actually came with these bolts already and the brackets, so that made everything 10 times easier. I'm actually going to take one of these, make this even, and put that there. But this should be a fairly simple install. And all Alright guys, so it's actually been a few days. I actually got called out to work, so that's why it's, of course, in y'all's time it's been about 2 seconds, but it's about 3 or 4 days later. So I'm actually gonna get y'all set up. We're gonna put the lower valence put on first with some clips, and then we're gonna look at doing the bumper brackets onto the bumper then, and then we'll go out to the truck and then start removing the old bumper, put the new one on, and then kind of go that route. So like I said, I'm gonna get y'all set up and we'll get this valence put on and then put the brackets on it. So these are the clips that I'm going to be installing in each one of these little holes, so they kind of just seat the valence to the bumper, and it should be super easy. Just push them in. They just push right in. All those. And on the other side here, you have 2 little bolts that hold the corners on. There and right there. And that's it. I'm gonna get the brackets mounted up there, and then we'll look at getting to the truck. Headlights put in, get this front bumper put on. Already got the brackets put on the bumper. They're just kind of loosely fitted so we can fit it around and get it matched up, but kind of show what we got to do. We got 3 here, 1 down here. We also got this bracket here. We gotta take off, and that front bumper should come out. Buddy Dre giving a hand today. So now that we got this bumper off, we're gonna actually get to these bolts now. 2 here, 1 for right there, 3 more on that side, and then these brackets will come off. Replace them with the 4-chip bumper brackets. We finally got one bracket off, so we're gonna start working on this one now.
Holy. Teamwork makes the dream work, so it turns into a 5-8.
There's always one beep spin bolt.
so we got a bolt put in. So we actually turned these around. These used to be on this side, but since we have so much room right here, I figured it'd make it a little easier to turn them around. Everything's loosely fitted, so everything's just kind of moving around right now, but got both sides in. Trying to get it evened out as possible. Make it look as best as possible. All right, guys. I don't know about you, but this turned out awesome. Absolutely love it. I mean, the 40, 50 buck Amazon bumper brackets, they lined up pretty well. There's no big gap at the headlights, nothing like that. So there's kind of a gap there, but this thing turned out awesome. Absolutely love it.
All right, guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.